Cause and effect connectors. Listen to the sentences. Which sentence explains a cause? Which one explains an effect?
I have joined a study group at my school. As a result, I have made some new friends.
The cause is, I have joined a study group at my school. The effect, or the result, is, I have made some new friends. Writers use cause and effect connectors to show the exact relationship between their ideas and to give their writing coherence. In this case, the writer uses the transition phrase, as a result, to make the cause and effect relationship clearer to the reader. We can use transition words and phrases to connect a cause and an effect. The phrase, as a result, is one. Others include, as a consequence, because of this, consequently, for this reason, and therefore. Transitions are placed between the cause and the effect. We often use these transition words and phrases at the beginning of a new sentence.
Our city has an international airport. Consequently, it receives many flights from overseas.
These words or phrases are preceded by a period and followed by a comma. We can also use cause-effect transitions after a semicolon.
The airport is very busy in the morning. Therefore, I prefer to fly out in the afternoon.
Note that when we use a semicolon, we do not capitalize the transition word because we are now writing everything as one sentence, not two. We can also use subordinators to show cause and effect relationships. Examples of subordinators include because, since, and due to the fact that. Read these sentences with because and since. Do we connect subordinators with a cause or an effect? We connect the subordinators because and since with a cause. Because, since, and due to the fact that make a clause a dependent clause. A dependent clause can't stand alone by itself. Therefore, it must be connected to an independent clause to make a complete sentence. Note that when the dependent clause is the first clause in the sentence, we separate the clauses with a comma. However, when the dependent clause is the second clause, we do not use a comma. Finally, we can also show cause and effect relationships by using the coordinating conjunction so. Listen to the example. How do we use so to show the cause-effect relationship?
The bus goes right by my house, so I take it to work.
We use so between a cause and an effect. So is a coordinating conjunction, so it combines two independent clauses. When we use so to combine clauses, we normally put a comma before it. Complete the sentence with the correct cause-effect connector from the box. Then listen and check your answers.
Soft drinks are very high in sugar. Therefore, it's a good idea to limit the amount of soft drinks we consume. Sometimes I don't have time to eat because I have to go straight from school to work. I was really hungry, so I picked up some Chinese food on my way home.